Welcome. Today I am going to tell you about high cholesterol, triglyceride and LDL and associated problems. High blood cholesterol is one of the major risk factors for heart disease. Heart disease is the number one killer in United States. Cholesterol, you can see here in animation, cholesterol is the part in the blood system, the part of lipid system. LDL, VLDL, HDL, good cholesterol, and you can see here, in the blood vessels, these things with chemical reaction, with other homocysteine level, all these things, they cause atherosclerosis. They narrow the blood vessels, that is known as atherosclerosis. There are two types of cholesterol. One is LDL, that is known as bad cholesterol, you can see here, and good cholesterol, that is high density lipoprotein, that is HDL. With natural supplements, we increase HDL and reduce the bad cholesterol, which is the causative factor to adhere the wall and causes atherosclerosis and hardening of the blood vessels in coronary arteries and as well as everywhere in brain, which causes stroke and other part of the body. So this is the plaque formation you can see here. Gradually the thickening of wall is increasing and the lumen is reducing, and that's how this is the coronary artery system, and this is the brain, blood vessels in the brain which supplies the blood to brain to function. So when hyperlipidemia, when high these things and with the other chemicals and homocysteine level and so many other reactions, when you take medications, this increases and you have the stroke and heart attacks. We talk only about cholesterol. Actually it is triglyceride, LDL, bad cholesterol, and VLDL. So these LDL, and when the increase of these all these things are more, then they adhere to a blood vessel and lot of chemical reactions are there. It is not only cholesterol, okay. High blood cholesterol itself does not cause symptoms. So many people, they don't understand, because it does not give any fever, any joint pain, anything. So many people are unaware that their cholesterol level is too high. It is one of the many other factors to create problems of hardening of the arteries, that is also known as atherosclerosis. So that artery becomes narrow and blood flow to the heart is reduced or blocked. But medical system, drug industry and other companies through TV advertisements of cholesterol lowering drugs are projecting the cholesterol to be the bad thing and making everybody scared of cholesterol nowadays. If cholesterol is an enemy, then think senior people, they ate everyday beef, butter, cheese, cream, pie and full saturated fat. And in the South Asian community, they ate parathas in the morning every day without any fail. Breakfast was with paratha and puris. And number of parathas, 6, 8 parathas. Puris, many puris, which you don't eat even 1 or 2 nowadays. And still live up to 90 years and many of them crossed 100 years, remember. On other hand, even with restricted food, people in their 30s first develop high blood pressure or diabetes, take religiously medications prescribed by their doctors, they stop eating anything junk, use no fat or 1% milk, no butter, but still you are developing high cholesterol and other cardiac complications. Why? Something is missing, you have to understand. Many things are not proven on paper. Companies, they don't want to tell you. Just recollect what is happening to you. You had angioplasty or bypass surgery and started taking compulsory blood thinners like Plavix or warfarin or aspirin, cholesterol lowering drugs, statin drugs like Lipitor, Zucor, Cristor and other blood pressure or heart medications. You must have lost your erection. As soon as you are taking this medication few months, one balloon angioplasty or stent and erection is gone. Having healthy sex is a gift from Mother Nature. Senior generation enjoyed sex in their 70s. Even you must be hearing in our testimonials, in our shows, they are real people, trust me, they are not actors, paid actors. Many of our customers that since the age of 40 years, due to heavy doses of prescription medicine for heart, diabetes or blood pressure problem, they were unable to have erection or healthy sex. And after using special dietary supplements, things are corrected and now they are getting erection at the age of 70 years and they are enjoying their sexual life again. Actually, we live in advanced era and have more advanced medical research. We can stop wrongdoings of past generation because they were not aware, they used to smoke or drink more or eat more beef, those kind of things. We can reduce those things and add up new knowledge and must live more healthier and longer life from the old generation. But it is not happening. But just happening other way due to a special interest group and wrong advertisements and wrong practice in our lifestyle. Our eating, everything is changed, Plus, something happens and then you put on those chemical prescription medicine. And then it starts one by one. Medication increases, dose by dose, and your problems are keep researchers at the University of Maryland Medical Center in Baltimore says that aspirin may not always work in people with high cholesterol. These people remain in increased risk of heart attacks, while high cholesterol increases the risk of platelet aggregation. This is the first study also shown aspirin does not help in them. Transient global amnesia, TGA, or the inability to form new memories has been linked to statin drugs such as Lipitor, Zocor and Mevacor. Statins may increase the risk of nerve damage called neuropathy. Peripheral neuropathy occurs when nerves in the peripheral nervous system become damaged. Tingling, numbness and burning pain which decreases the sensitivity. Please note, according to American Heart Association, angioplasty develop reblockages within 3 to 6 months of surgery and go for repeated balloon angioplasty or bypass surgery. Important thing to note is that most of the reblockage takes place while continuing blood thinner and cholesterol lowering drugs. Remember, see, you must be having those who have done 2-3 balloon angioplasty or bypass surgery, repeated reblockages, they were continuously taking thinners, blood thinners and cholesterol lowering medicine, and still they have reblockages. Why it is happening? A Cleveland Clinic study published in the New England Journal of Medicine showed that Plavix plus aspirin nearly doubled the heart disease death rate among patients who had not yet had a heart attack. In a potential damaging result, a long delayed study showed Merck expensive Vytorin had no benefit on the building of artery plaque. Patients on Vytorin actually had more heart attacks, cardiovascular death and heart procedures. Sure, most of the doctors are not aware themselves how unknowingly they are being used by these drug companies. Many doctors, registered nurses, thank me for opening their eyes. They come to me after seeing good positive results in their patients. Those who used our product, our supplements, and they see the effective results and then they come to us. Elevated plasma concentration of homocysteine, a dangerous sulfur-containing amino acid, is a risk factor for coronary, cerebral and peripheral artery diseases. Next to other factors, drugs used for the prevention or treatment of cardiovascular disease may modulate plasma homocysteine levels. Thus, a drug-induced homocysteine increase may counter desired cardio effect. The aim is lipid-lowering drugs, especially the fibric acid derivatives, which are used for the treatment of high triglyceride and low HDL cholesterol, are associated with an increase of homocysteine by 20 to 50%. Therefore, coronary and other artery blockages are more angioplasty, stent and bypass surgeries. Also, popular water pill, hydrochlorothiazide, Parkinsonism drugs, levodopa, anti-epileptic drugs and many other drugs, prescription drugs, they increase homocysteine level, and this is the one of the main cause for atherosclerosis and blockage. Not only the cholesterol, one more thing, that the side effects provided on the details of pharmacy are the adverse effects by the minimum dose of these medications and used during trials and at the time of approval. Let me give you one example of common lipid lowering drugs, most common, that is famous Lipitor, which earned $12.5 billion in 2002. What everybody have been disclosed and know about the side effect of these medications, including severe liver damage, is caused by just its trial dose of 2.5 milligram. which has been recommended dose at the time of its trial and approval. Can you imagine what may be the real extent of damage are taking place to billions of people worldwide in reality? As nobody, according to the New York Times reported last year, statin like Lipitor, Zukor, Provocol, Lescol, Mevacor and Cristor are the biggest selling drugs in the world. A study in CMAG showed significant muscle injury only in the people who had taken statin drugs. Several people who were on longer taking statin were found to still have significant structural muscular damage. Prescribed the dose of 2.5 mg. Mostly the dose is prescribed in 10, 20, 40, 80 mg per day. The main reason of imbalance and increased cholesterol level is chemicals including prescription medications prescribed by your doctors for diabetes, high blood pressure, heart problems, etc. Is a natural occurring chemical present as a soft waxy substance in our cells and the body. Cholesterol is necessary for our life and most of the brain and nervous system is made of fat. You know that? Cholesterol is the precursor of all hormones in body including sex hormone, remember. It is extremely important to the body. We work on root cause of regulate and correct this imbalance, hence resulting into normal healthy level of cholesterol as well as triglyceride, LDL and SDL. With our supplements, SDL has to be increased and bad cholesterol should go down. It has to be regularized, but you can't stop production, with this chemical medicine. The bottom line here is that when you treat the symptoms of high cholesterol with a drug, you are is no way treating the cause. You are only treating the symptoms. That is what the base principle of all these chemical medicine. They don't want to correct your problems. Otherwise, how you will continue? How you will go for dialysis? How your kidney will fail? How you will need surgeries? So only symptoms correction so that you should feel comfortable, scaring, and you keep on taking those medications. It should come as no surprise that the artificial drug causes severe side effects. Most statin adverse effects including the musculoskeletal muscles, and gastroenteritis. This is destroyed. Muscles are destroyed. That is known as rhabdomyolysis. All these lipid lowering drugs, cholesterol lowering drugs, they damage your muscles. That's why you have body ache. It means your muscles are breaking down and it goes to liver and kidney and damages kidney badly, known as rhabdomyolysis. Also, dose related are elevated in plasma fibrinogen level and liver enzymes level. Special natural supplements increases the flow of bile from gallbladder and speed up the liver function, both of which may increase cholesterol in excretion, binding of cholesterol and reduction its absorption. And healthy cholesterol has to be there, it keeps the healthy cholesterol. Prevent the formation of atherosclerotic patch, creates increased blood flow. They are anti-inflammatory, strengthens wall of blood vessels and more flexibility, that has to be there. Aid circulation to brain, arms and legs. Promote normal heart rhythm. Assists its increase in the flow of blood in heart muscle and reduces angina and degeneration of blood vessels. With 100% transparency, still most of the people suspect that what I am showing is not true. They also think that I get these testimonies by paying the people like many other advertisements on TV channels where popular cinema or TV actors claim benefits by using astrologer or pendant directly supplied from divine power. It's not true. It's not possible with those things. Whereas in my show, with each customer testimony, it is certified that testimony is not paid. It is from real people, real stories and not paid actors. And I certify that. Our customers are responsible American citizens including police officers, law enforcement officers, doctors, nurses, scientists, etc. And in fact, all these customers, those who you listen to their testimony on my shows, they paid many months and bought our substances, used, and after that they are coming and with our products. So first they paid actually to us. They got better and then they are coming for testimonies for many months. You can make only once anybody fool, you can't make again and again. So if they are taking many months, it means they got benefit. Otherwise, why they will continue? After using our product, now they are energized, they look healthy, you can see from their face. We do not prescribe.
Hi, I'm living in New York. I having diabetic for the past 8 years, and then I have cholesterol. After that I have thyroid, and I also have proteinuria after that. So I'm taking 5 tablets. And I'm taking metformin, glipizide, simvastatin, Cosor, and thyroid. I had a liver failure recently also, and doctor give up because they told me they don't do any treatment for liver failure. They can't give me medicine, so they asked me to stop all the medicine except, and my liver was very bad. Tell you honestly, I can't walk or get up for 1 month. I was bedridden, and my husband had to cook for me all that.
High blood pressure, diabetes medicine, and especially cholesterol lowering drug, they caused, you can see here, they did multiple times. February, the alkaline phosphatase was 55, AST was 42, ALT was 43, and then in the month of May, it was increasing, gradually. In July, alkaline phosphatase was 110, AST was 290, and ALT was 494, and in August, just after 3-4 days, that is a liver failure, AST become 318, and you can see here, ALT was 554, which should be less than 43, it becomes 554, so total liver failure, and they said they can't do anything anymore.
My husband knows Dr. Rao, so I came and I've been taking his supplement, and recently also while taking the medicine I really reduced my proteinuria, and I've been taking this Dr. Rao medicine, and it's a miracle actually, to tell you the truth.
And now you can see after taking our supplements, it's very risky to take care of these kind of people, and we help these kind of serious situations. That's what I'm talking. Liver failure because of the side effect of cholesterol lowering drugs mainly. The side effect of blood pressure medicine, diabetes medicine, and liver is failed, and now you can see. Now after taking our supplements, alkaline phosphatase, you can see here 71, which is normal. ALT, also known as SGPT, is 34, exactly normal, and AST 35. So everything becomes the same patient. I showed you the earlier report, 554, and now liver enzymes came down to normal level, totally normal.
I can get up now, and I'm really starting to walk about for 10 to 20 minutes, and I'm starting to eat also, and I can talk, I can, I hope I can run also, but then it just takes time, but I'm quite much better now, and then my kidney proteinuria totally gone. To tell you the truth, everything is gone, no proteinuria anymore, and my sugar diabetic is controlled, it's very controlled, and I feel much better, and thank you, I appreciate really to Dr. Rao for his supplement, and I feel better for all this supplement, and there's no side effect for this supplement at all. I appreciate, thank you, Dr. Rao. I already stopped all the medicine I'm taking at all. There's no medicine at all. They know metformin, glipizide, Cosor, or simvastatin. There's no medicine at all. I don't know about the side effect of this medicine, and so I'm working as a medical biller, so I know about the side effect of all the medicine, and I'm not taking it all. So I would advise, if any one of you are taking all this medicine, please stop it and try to get this supplement. It will really help you a lot. I'm only taking supplement only from Dr. Rao. I'm giving this testimonial. He's not paying me or anything. It's from my own goodwill, and I'm telling you all for this supplement is good, and there's no side effect, and it's very good. And please do come and help yourself. And one more time, I'm telling you, it's not a paid testimonial. I'm doing it with my open heart, and I have this experience So I'm sharing with all of you.
We do not prescribe any treatment or recommend any supplements. We prepare our own blends. They are very special blends. This is not Ayurveda, this is not homeopathy. Many people they confuse. And this is not vitamin, we don't prescribe, we sell any vitamins, what you buy from vitamin store. You go there and you see the bottles. No. This is everything is customized actually according to your need. Telephonic discussion or email discussion or face-to-face discussion. Without discussion, we don't sell any product to anybody, we don't supply to any other doctor.